Hi students, today we discuss about RF value. RF value nothing but we call as a retardation factor or retardation value. Retardation value or retardation factor. So, definition of RF value, ratio of the compound travel and the ratio of solvent traveling. So, means once again repeat, ratio of the compound travelled distance and solvent travelled distance, nothing but we called as a RF value. So the RF value principle, distance of component travelled, distance of component travelled, by distance of solvent travelled. So you easily understand ratio of distance of component travelled by distance of solvent travelled, nothing but we call as a RF value. We have another formula, so that is the R stand is equal to RF value of given substance means this is the sample by RF value of pure substance means this is the standard. So two principles are there. One is the RF is equal to distance of component travelled by distance of solvent travelled. Another principle, that is the R stand is equal to RF value of given substance, that is sample, by RF value of pure substance, that is the standard. So factors. The system affected by some factors. In this first one, nature of substances. Second one, nature of solvent. Third one, temperature. Fourth one, thickness of the layer. one, the distance traveled by the solvent. So factors are there. Those are 5. One is the nature of substances. Second one, nature of solvent. Third one, temperature. Fourth one, thickness of the layer. Fifth one, the distance traveled by the solvent. So in this, generally we have to understand in diagram mode. So in this, the component traveled, the another component traveled, those distance. So this is the one spot, this is the second spot. So this spot name may be A. So this is the B. This is the B. So in this, RF is equal to A by B, A by B. So simply, if A is component, B is solvent, that time RF is equal to A by B. So simply understand, RF is equal to distance of component travelled by distance of solvent travelled. A is component, B is solvent. So that's why component by solvent. So next one, R stand. So in this, this is the spot. So in this is one component, this is another component. This is the spot. This is the one component, this is the another component. So compound name C, this compound name D. So now RST is equal to C by D. RST is equal to C by D. This is the one component spot and this is the another component spot. So naming, this is the C, this is the D. So this is RST. ST means stand. RST is equal to C by D. So importance of RF value. Importance of RF value. So in this, the different substances have different RF value. Different substances have different value. Means that is the RF value. Different substances have different RF value. Next, second one, in different solution, two components RF value, may be equal. may be equal. So this is the second one. Third one. So alanine, that means this is the example for that. Alanine and tyrosine. Alanine, tyrosine, RF value equal in phenol and water. The RF value is equal to 0.55. So last one, if we know component RF value, then we have to identify component. So this is the importance of RF value. Means first one, different substance have different RF value. Means if phenol have different RF value. So at the same time tyrosine also have different RF value. But depends upon mobile phase, the RF value may change. So this is the different substance have different RF value. So next one, in different solution, two components RF value may be equal. So example, alanine and tyrosine. RF value equal in phenol and water. The RF value is equal to 0.55. So last one, if we know component RF value, then we have to identify component. So this is the complete RF value. This is the complete of RF value. So we discussed definition and principal factors and importance with the diagram. So this is the RF value.